Hey guys, good morning. So today is going to be a very interesting day. I am actually picking up my wedding dress today. You guys are going to see me in my natural state, so like don't even bother. But I have a few things I need to do. I definitely need to work out. I need to cook some food, and I also need to pick up my dress. And I have to go to the dry cleaners today to pick up my husband's shirts and one of the outfits that I got altered. Let's see, I'm trying to think what actually right now I am cooking. I started seasoning, well, I'm about to start seasoning my food. I am making some salmon today. I have my seasoning here, so my salmon that I washed with lemon juice, I think it was lemon juice. So don't mind the white part because this is usually what happens when you put lemon juice on there. And then I have some seasoning, green seasoning. So I actually mixed some Trinidadian seasoning and some Haitian seasoning in order to come up with this. A friend of mine made the Haitian seasoning for me, so boom. I have some Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, some adobe, and some fish seasoning as well. I also have some paprika, and for any moms out there, this is actually from the baby bullet. So I actually opened a can of tomato paste, and then whatever is remaining, I place it in here and just freeze it pretty much. So I have tomato paste as well. There's that. I'm gonna show you guys how I season my salmon. I'm gonna cook. So we have that set up. My son said that he wanted to work out with me, so we have our workout session set up right here for after I season this salmon. So basically after I season the salmon, I'm just gonna let it sit for like 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, most likely the whole entire workout, so that it takes in all of the seasoning. And then after that I'll start cooking, set up my stuff, then I'll take a shower, get ready so I can go pick up my dress. And I'm actually heading down to New York today just to get my hair done, because I saw this girl on Instagram. Her prices are amazing. I think it's because she's really starting off, which is when you should lock yourself in. But she started off, she's really good. A friend of mine recommended her to me, so I'll be heading down to New York from Boston just to get my hair done for my wedding. So, boop. So change of plans. Well, salmon is seasoned. The only thing is I gotta drop my husband off to his job in order for us to use the car for the day. So he's about to take a shower now. Can't work out yet because I don't want to start a workout and then have to stop. So, and then here comes my son.
Did I scare you?
You tried to.
What's up, funny boy? What's up?
Oh gosh. So guys, one thing for sure. Oh, by the way, go put your slides on and a different shirt, because that shirt has a hole in it. Go change your shirt.
Mommy, you already see me belly.
I know. So one thing I like doing as of late is drinking tea in order for me to, go use the bathroom. And the tea that I've been using is called, it's a funny name. It's called Positive Energy. And that's what I get, because I feel the positive energy in me when the negative energy leaves me. Ooh, that was a word. Anyways, so I literally drank that tea like I would say 2 minutes ago, and then I went to use the bathroom, and I feel a lot better. I feel all the positive energy right now. So today's gonna be a great day. I'm getting my hair did, I'm getting my dress, I'm gonna work out, and then everything's gonna be perfect, hopefully.
Mommy.
We do look crazy. Wait, what shirt you rocking today? Let me see. Toronto. You got it. He has to eat in the car. That means we're heading to drop him off, but he has to go get coffee, and then I'm gonna want coffee.
Wow, that's a lot of 20.
Give it to her.
Oh, so this is my dog. Great.
Don't for me? Oh, thank you.
Broccoli, fish. There you go. I'm fine. How are you? Everything is going to be amazing. I look crazy. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful.
I hope so. You start putting a little tape there because if not, boom.
I know.
Oh my god, it's beautiful. Do you love it?
I love it so much.
Oh my god, it is amazing.
I like
on
that
you.
they did this too. 'Cause at first I wasn't going to do it.
Oh my god, it looks so pretty.
So we are trying to get my pet some crickets. Some crickets. You sure? Oh, where?
You see that? Down there.
Where, Nathan?
Right there. That
That's not a parrot.
What is it?
It's a fancy parakeet.
Oh.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of them back there. I didn't even notice that.
Mommy, that's the thing. I heard a few.
I want another one.
Mommy, I want to get.
Oh, today is a day. It's a great day. It's just that we're doing a lot today. So we got the dress, but we didn't get to bring it home because we just need to fix one more thing. I need to tighten it up a little bit so that I really don't have like a boob slip or anything like that. I was able to grab something, so I got a hanger that says bride on it because I've never had that before. So when we're recording, they'll be able to, like, you know, record my dress. So I'm excited about that. I got that. I also got some flip-flops for my dress because I'm not wearing heels at all. I don't want to wear heels. I like my dress to like drag on the floor. We also got some crickets for my child. We call my bearded dragon my child. Our bearded dragon. So yeah, I did majority of everything I need to do. I do plan on just washing my hair when I get to New York because I'm going to be staying at my mom's house. It's 1:45, so around this time it's still lunchtime. So once we do that, yeah, it's still lunchtime. So once we bring the food to him, we're going to head home. We're going to eat some food. And then I'm going to work out because I have to work out today. I did like 15 minutes on the treadmill. So I need to do my other 15 minutes of that. And then also I need to do my abs today. Today is ab day. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlog of me running around and doing things, especially as a mom with a 4-year-old, you know. I don't even know how Latoya forever do it at all. got to Penn Station, but now I gotta figure out how to get to the 3 train. Alright, let's figure this out. So I just got to New York. Now it's figuring out how the hell do I get to the 3 train. And I don't want to cross because I know that New York is like known for jaywalking tickets. I'm all set. This dude is crossing. I'm all set with that. He's violent. He's like really crossing. Yeah, okay. Now it's time to really figure out exactly how to get to the number 3 train in order for me to go meet my mom. Because it's gonna be a whole lot of work. To be quite honest with you guys. I used to live in New York a few years ago. Not few, a lot of years ago, and I still never really traveled while in New York. So this is still new to me. Definitely gonna look like a tourist right now. This whole thing has been crazy. Like last night when I was heading down here to Boston, I felt like I almost got lost because one of the trains, which was the tree train, wasn't working at night. So that was a whole issue. So I had to take the 2 to Franklin to another number. Like I was like freaking out. So I eventually got to my mom's house, and then I got ready to sleep, wake up, wash my hair, blow dry it, and then got my hair did. Here we are. Now time for me to head to go get my Amtrak train back to Boston. Bro, I missed the damn train. So now I'm on an air train heading to the airport, and I'm gonna see if I can use my Delta credit in order to take a flight back to Boston. All for some hair